Hey, Res.
Hey, Christian.
I was just wondering, what is the global language and how many countries is speaking English in the whole world?
It's actually funny you asked, but it's actually that way that in English there is 30 countries who actually speak English, and 9 of them is speaking the fluently from their mother tongue, and the rest have learned it through school and media.
Like us.
Yeah. So. Yeah.
And Christian, how many people speak English fluently?
Oh, it's actually funny that you ask because I know this question. No, I know the answer.
Oh, okay.
English is the second most spoken language in the world. Only second to Chinese because there are so many Chinese people. It's stupid.
Yeah.
And about 400 million people speak English. They learn it at home. Yeah. So, but around 600 million people have learned English as the second language, the number 2 language. So yeah, so they speak 2 languages.
Yeah. And Emil, do you know about anything about the global language?
The English language has changed pretty much over the years, and in the different countries, the different languages from Creole and Indian English and Creole is growing stronger and bigger in the whole over the world because of the English language is changing. It's getting bigger and it's getting weirder, but that doesn't mean that the English language will stop the standard English. That only means that more people all over the world will understand the English language, and more people will be able to communicate in a global language.
Yeah, that's very nice. And also, one thing there's also to mention is that it's just not in Great Britain that we have different accents, but also in the United States there's the really farm strong hillbilly kind of accent, and then just in like the whole of Great Britain we have so many different accents, and some of them I can mention like Cockney, which is the part of London that speaks the that accent. And we have the Scottish, and we have a different kind of accents just in Scotland also, and we have that in Wales too, and we have that in Northern Ireland and in many other states and countries.